You've been lied to for years by dealerships, car manufacturers, and even by so-called trusted mechanics. The automotive industry doesn't want your car to last. Why? Because a shorter car lifespan means more money in their pockets from repairs, maintenance, and new vehicle sales. The truth is, most cars are fully capable of surpassing 300,000 miles if you take care of them properly. But the tips that actually keep a car running forever aren't in your owner's manual, and they definitely won't be recommended at your local shop. That's why today, we're diving deep into 17 brutally honest car care tips that go against everything you've probably been told. These tips aren't just theory. They're used by mechanics, taxi drivers, and high-mileage car owners who have been pushing vehicles well beyond the 200K, even 300K mile mark. And tip hash 17 alone could save you over $5,000 in future repairs with a change that takes only a few seconds. Trick number 17. Forget the manufacturer's oil change interval. Stick to the 3K rule. Let's start with one of the most misunderstood maintenance routines: oil changes. Many manufacturers now claim you can go 10,000 to even 15,000 miles between oil changes. While that might look good on paper or in a commercial, it's a terrible idea if you're trying to make your car last for decades. These long intervals are designed to minimize warranty claims and reduce cost of ownership on paper, not to keep your engine running forever. In real-world conditions, like frequent short trips, stop-and-go traffic, or extreme temperatures, your engine oil degrades much faster. It collects moisture, fuel vapors, and carbon, all of which contribute to engine wear. To truly protect your engine, stick to the old-school 3,000-mile interval if you're using conventional oil, or extend to 5,000 to 7,000 miles if you're using full synthetic. Yes, it's more frequent, but clean oil is the single most important factor in extending engine life. Trick number 16. Stop warming up your car by idling. This is a habit nearly everyone does in the winter. You start your car, let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes, then drive off. But modern engines warm up best under load, not while sitting still. In fact, prolonged idling in cold temperatures causes raw fuel to seep past your piston rings and into the oil, diluting it and reducing its protective properties. Worse, it doesn't heat up the transmission, power steering, or wheel bearings. Instead, start your engine, let it run for 30 seconds, and then begin driving gently. The engine will reach optimal temperature faster, your oil will stay cleaner, and your cylinder walls will thank you for it. Trick number 15. Never top off your gas tank after the pump clicks. You're at the gas station. The pump clicks, signaling the tank is full, but you squeeze in a little more to round it off. Don't. That little extra fuel doesn't go into your tank. It floods the evaporative emissions (evap) system, which is designed only to handle vapors, not liquid gasoline. When the evap canister, usually filled with charcoal, becomes saturated with fuel, it can fail, leading to a check engine light, poor fuel economy, and expensive repairs, often in the $800 $1,200 range. When the pump clicks off, stop fueling. That second or third squeeze is money down the drain. Trick number 14. Change transmission fluid before it fails, not after. Most drivers ignore their transmission fluid until they feel a problem. By then, it's often too late. The truth is, even lifetime transmission fluid isn't really lifetime. Over time, heat and friction cause the fluid to degrade and become contaminated with metal shavings and clutch material. This wear can destroy your transmission from the inside out. To prevent this, change the fluid every 60,000 miles or sooner if you drive in severe conditions like towing or mountain driving. For hybrids or CVT transmissions, check your specific model, but many still benefit from 60K to 90K intervals. Just be cautious. If your car has 150,000 plus miles and has never had a transmission service, a full flush can sometimes dislodge built-up debris and cause slipping. In that case, do a gentle drain and refill instead of a power flush. Trick number 13. Coast early and use engine braking to save your brakes. Most people slam on their brakes at the last minute, wearing them down quickly. But your brakes are one of the most overused and underappreciated components on your vehicle. Hard braking causes excessive heat, which warps rotors and shortens pad life. Instead, get into the habit of lifting your foot off the accelerator early and allowing your vehicle to naturally slow down, especially when you see a red light or stop sign ahead. On long downhill roads, shift into a lower gear and use engine braking to reduce wear. Also, invest in quality brake pads. Cheap pads wear quickly and can chew through rotors, costing you more in the long run. Stick with OEM parts or trusted brands like Akebono, Wagner, or Bosch. Trick number 12. Flush coolant before overheating becomes a nightmare. Coolant isn't just to keep your engine from freezing in winter, it also keeps it from boiling over in summer. Over time, coolant becomes acidic and loses its ability to prevent rust and scale buildup. Old coolant can clog your radiator and cause overheating, which is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine. Most manufacturers recommend flushing coolant every 3 to 5 years. Never mix different types of coolant. They have different chemical compositions and can react badly, forming sludge. Always use the coolant type specified in your owner's manual. And if your temperature gauge ever creeps into the red zone, pull over immediately. One overheated engine can cost thousands to repair, sometimes more than the car is worth. Trick number 11. Never ignore coolant loss. It means a leak. If you notice that your coolant reservoir is low, don't just top it off and forget about it. Coolant doesn't evaporate, it leaks. Whether it's a small hose crack, a radiator pinhole, or worst case, a failing head gasket, ignoring a coolant leak can spell disaster. Tiny leaks often start small, but grow with engine heat cycles. If you're losing coolant and can't see an obvious leak, get a pressure test done. It's a simple diagnostic that can save you from a catastrophic engine failure. Trick number 10. Remove excess weight from your trunk. It's killing your suspension. Many people treat their trunk like a mobile storage unit. Toolboxes, sports gear, bags of sand. Over time, all that extra weight adds up. Every 100 pounds in your car puts additional stress on the suspension, brakes, and tires, reducing fuel economy and accelerating wear. Your car's gross vehicle weight rating (GVWR) tells you how much weight your car can safely carry, including passengers and cargo. Subtract the curb weight from the GVWR, and that's your max load. Exceed it, and your shocks, struts, and springs start wearing out much faster. Lighten the load and watch your handling, fuel efficiency, and tire life improve dramatically. Trick number 9. Rotate your tires religiously, not randomly. Your tires don't wear evenly. The front tires, especially on front-wheel drive vehicles, carry the weight of the engine, handle steering forces, and absorb braking loads. That means they wear faster, especially on the outer edges. To combat this, regular tire rotation is critical. Most people neglect this, only rotating when they notice a problem or when getting new tires. That's too late. You should rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, ideally, at every oil change. This simple habit keeps tread wear even, improves traction, and extends the life of your tires by thousands of miles. Uneven tires also throw off alignment and can stress your suspension components. Some manufacturers recommend specific rotation patterns, so check your manual, especially if your vehicle has directional or staggered tires. Trick number 8. Don't use the cheapest gas possible, even if your car runs on regular. Most cars are designed to run on 87-octane regular fuel, but that doesn't mean all regular gas is equal. Cheap gas from off-brand stations often lacks the high-quality detergent additives found in fuels from brands like Chevron, Shell, or Exxon. These additives keep your fuel injectors and combustion chambers clean, which means more efficient performance and fewer emissions. Over time, poor quality fuel can lead to carbon buildup, reduced MPG, and engine knocking. The difference in price per gallon might be a few cents, but over the life of your car, those savings are erased by costly repairs and lost efficiency. If your owner's manual recommends premium, not just allows it, then always use it. Running regular in a premium required engine can cause long-term damage. Trick number 7. Replace worn engine and transmission mounts before they wreck other parts. Engine and transmission mounts are rubber or hydraulic components that isolate vibrations and keep your powertrain firmly in place. Over time, they wear out, crack, or collapse, especially in high-mileage cars. When this happens, the engine shifts under load, causing harsh vibrations, clunking sounds, and even misalignment of driveline components. Many people ignore this, thinking it's just noise, but worn mounts can damage exhaust systems, wiring, and axles. If your car jerks during acceleration or feels rough at idle, it's time to inspect the mounts. Replacing them might cost a few $100s, but waiting too long can multiply that cost several times over. Trick number 6. Keep your battery terminals clean. It's not just cosmetic. A dirty or corroded battery terminal can silently wreak havoc on your vehicle's electrical system. Corrosion on the terminals increases electrical resistance, making your starter motor work harder, your alternator output unstable, and your sensors behave erratically. This can lead to random warning lights, poor idle, or intermittent failures that are hard to trace. To prevent this, clean your battery terminals every few months with a wire brush and a mix of baking soda and water. After cleaning, coat them with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to slow down future corrosion. This tiny bit of maintenance can extend your battery's life by years and keep your car's electronics in top shape. Trick number 5. Wash the undercarriage, especially in winter. Most people wash their cars for appearance, but rust doesn't care how shiny your paint is. The real danger hides underneath your frame, brake lines, suspension components, and fuel tank. If you live in an area with snow or salted roads, your car's undercarriage is constantly being exposed to corrosive chemicals. Over time, this causes rust that eats through brake lines, weakens structural components, and even affects your fuel system. Washing the undercarriage during winter months, or better yet, using a high-pressure wash system with a rust inhibitor, can dramatically slow down corrosion. If possible, coat the underside with oil-based rust-proofing once a year for extra protection. Trick hash 4. Use your parking brake every time, even on flat ground. Most drivers think the parking brake is only for steep hills. In reality, using it every time you park can extend the life of your transmission, especially on automatic cars. When you park without the e-brake, all the vehicle's weight rests on a small part called the parking pawl inside your transmission. Over time, this part wears out or snaps, causing your car to roll or your transmission to seize. Using the parking brake removes stress from the transmission entirely. On manual cars, it's even more critical. Always apply the brake before releasing the clutch. Plus, regular use keeps the brake cables from seizing, especially in winter. Trick number 3. Don't ignore that small oil leak. It's a time bomb. A tiny oil drip under your car might not seem like a big deal. It's just a stain on the driveway, right? Wrong. Small leaks often indicate a failing gasket or seal, and left unchecked, they grow. Oil leaks can soak belts, sensors, engine mounts, or your catalytic converter, leading to widespread damage and even fires in extreme cases. Worse, you might not notice how much oil you're losing until the level is dangerously low. Always check your oil regularly, and if you see even a small leak, find its source. Fixing a $10 valve cover gasket now is far cheaper than replacing a seized engine later. Trick number 2. Learn to listen. Your car talks before it brakes. Modern cars are full of sensors, lights, and warning chimes, but some of the most important warnings are still analog. Strange noises, smells, or vibrations. A slight squeal when braking, a ticking sound at startup, or a burning smell after driving. All of these are your car's way of whispering that something is wrong. Most major failures don't happen suddenly. They build up. Train yourself to pay attention to these subtle signs and investigate them early. You'll catch problems when they're small, cheap, and easy to fix, before they turn into budget-destroying disasters. Trick number 1. Drive smoothly, like you're keeping the car for life. The single most underrated tip in preserving your car is also the simplest. Drive like you care. Hard acceleration, aggressive braking, abrupt turns, and redlining the engine not only use more fuel, they punish every component of your vehicle. Smooth driving reduces wear on the engine, transmission, brakes, suspension, and tires. It keeps fluids cooler, bushings intact, and moving parts stress-free. If you want your car to hit 300,000 miles, drive it like you plan to get there. Ease into starts, coast to stops, and don't treat every green light like a drag race. Your car will reward you with reliability and longevity. Your vehicle isn't just a machine, it's an investment, a tool, and often a lifeline. Whether you're commuting daily, driving cross-country, or just heading to the grocery store, the last thing you want is a breakdown that could have been prevented. These 10 maintenance habits aren't expensive, flashy, or complicated, but they are powerful. Doing the little things consistently is what separates a car that dies at 120,000 miles from one that pushes 300,000 with pride. Take control of your car care now, and your future self and your wallet will thank you every mile down the road.